Welcome to DBeaver's YouTube channel. In our previous video, we looked at how to use the select statement in your SQL queries. Today, we will cover another statement that's used to insert new records in a table. You can use it, for example, if you have a table with information about partner companies which you have entered into an agreement with. The insert statement will help you to add information about the new company to the table. We assume you have already installed the DBeaver community app and created a sample SQLite database. If you don't know how to download and install the application, follow the link in the description or click on the tooltip on the right-hand side of the screen. Let's open the SQL editor and look at the basic syntax of an insert statement. To add a new record to the table, you need to use insert into keywords and enter the exact table name. Then, in brackets, you need to write a list of the columns in which you want to enter new values. After that, enter the values keyboard and a list of values corresponding to the columns you listed. When you execute the resulting query, a new row will be added to the table with the data you have entered. If the number of values you try to add does not match the number of columns, the query will fail and you will see an error message. You may also encounter an error if the value you entered does not match the data type of the column. Let's look at the insert statement using the example of adding a new record to the artist table of our sample database. First, we need to know the number of records in the table. This can be done in the data editor. As we already know how to write a select query, let's use it again. Enter the following: select asterisk from artist and run the query. Now let's check if this table has the artist Nicki Minaj. To do this, we just execute the following query: select asterisk from artist where name equals Nicki Minaj. We can see that there is no record of this name, so let's add the new row to the table. To do this, we will execute the insert query. Insert into artist, artist ID, name, values, 276, Nicki Minaj. In the results panel, you will see information about the successfully added row. To ensure that the desired record has appeared in our table, we can repeat the execution of the previous select query and see that everything is correct. If you are adding values for all the columns of the table, you do not need to specify the column names in the SQL query. However, it's important to ensure the values are in the same order as the columns in the table. Let's check if an artist named Cardi B is on the list. Select asterisk from artist where name equals Cardi B. We see that there's no record with that name in the table. Let's add it without specifying columns, but first, try to mix up the values in places. Insert into artist, values, Cardi B, 277. As you can see, the query failed with a data type mismatch error because the first field is an ID, which must be a number, not a string. Let's fix this typo now and put the values in the correct order. Insert into artist, values, 277, Cardi B. Everything is fine this time, and we see a message that our query was successfully completed. Then we can run the select query again to see the row we just added. Select asterisk from artist where name equals Cardi B. Great job! Now you know how to add new records to your database table. In our next video in this series, we'll teach you how to use other basic SQL statements. If you do not want to miss the next chapters, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell to receive notifications. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.